Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. So in another video when I was showing you around, one of the questions that comes up is, why is Elk City named Elk City and where are the elk? Well, I showed you the two elk that I was able to find and I did know about. I got fantastic news for you. I finally found a third elk. It's at the Arrowhead Center right here in Elk City. The Arrowhead Center is a brand new rec center they built in the last couple of years. They got basketball, they got volleyball, they got all kinds of stuff in the rec center. I honestly don't know what all they have in there just yet, but what I do know is I have a 15-year-old and a 12-year-old, and anytime they have spare time and they're in Elk City, I can usually find them over here. So I will catch you in the next video. Come by, say hi.